The 2027 Genesis G560 arrives with a bold refresh that transforms it into a rolling tech lounge highlighted by a massive 27-inch OLED display, upgraded luxury materials, and introduction of high-performance Magma variant that changes everything for Genesis EVs. "27-inch display. Inside the cabin, the centerpiece is the new 27-inch curved OLED display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment into a single seamless screen, delivering ultra-high resolution graphics, deep contrast, and a futuristic cockpit-style driving experience in daily use. Genesis also upgrades its connected car integrated cockpit system, supporting extensive OTA updates, wireless smartphone integration, and advanced fingerprint authentication that personalizes every driver profile for comfort, navigation preferences, and entertainment settings across the system. Complementing the display is the refined Crystal Sphere 2.0 gear selector, which doubles as ambient lighting when parked and reveals a shift-by-wire control interface when the vehicle powers on for a more dramatic startup experience and premium feel. Luxury cabin tech. The GV60 interior emphasizes minimalism with Genesis Beauty of Whitespace philosophy, combining soft-touch surfaces, sustainable materials like recycled PET fabrics, and premium Napa leather options across higher trims for a truly upscale EV environment and enhanced comfort. A redesigned 3-spoke steering wheel with hands-on detection improves driver awareness, while the simplified center console reduces clutter, creating a more open and lounge-like atmosphere for long-distance comfort and everyday usability across all driving conditions. Interior lighting, seat ergonomics, and sound insulation are also enhanced, ensuring the GV60 feels quieter, more immersive, and more refined than previous models in both city driving and high-speed cruising conditions, with better overall cabin serenity. Performance. Magma. Performance takes a major leap with the new Magma variant featuring a dual-motor AWD system, producing up to 601 horsepower, with a boost mode pushing output to 641 horsepower for aggressive acceleration and thrilling dynamic response on demand. The upgraded 84.0 kilowatt-hour battery supports 800-volt fast charging, allowing 10 to 80% recharge in just 18 minutes, while delivering an estimated 561 kilometers WLTP range for long-distance efficiency and confident everyday usability. Advanced driving modes like drift mode and virtual gear shift add emotional engagement, while improved driver assistance systems such as smart regenerative braking and lane following assist enhance safety and control in all road environments. The 2027 Genesis G560 positions itself as one of the most advanced electric SUVs in its class, combining luxury technology and performance in a single package, making it worth watching closely as release details approach.